Okay. Hello guys, good afternoon. Today, I'll show you how to cook kare-kare. This is one of our native dish back home in the Philippines. So, these are the ingredients. This is pork hog, the eggplant, the string beans, and then the bochoy. Those are the vegetables. And then, we will mix it with peanut or peanut butter. You can use peanut butter. And then the rice flour. Okay? I'll show you how to do it. First, we will boil or we will pressure cooker the pork. I'll put water. Okay, we will pressure cook this for 25 minutes until it's the meat is soft. Okay guys, now we will brew this rice flour that we're going to use in our kare-kare. Okay? Okay, now it's done. We're done doing this rice flour. Guys, I have to cut the eggplant, and then after cutting this, we have to fry it. While frying the eggplant, we have to cut the string beans. Okay, now we will boil the bochoy, the pet chai. Now we'll make the kare-kare sauce. Let's put now the pork in the kare-kare sauce. Okay guys, I'm done cooking with my kare-kare. Hi Mia! Here is your ensimada. And then your apple cider vinegar. Okay?
Tita, grabe your ano, oh. Pwede lang isa o, may isa lang.
Teka, bibigay ko sa'yo.
Alam mo,
And here is your tomato.
Diba, getting from their own backyard.
Okay, nice to see you.
Talagang may video pa talaga.
Oo.
Ano na yung video mo?
Magandang gabi sa inyo, no? Ito na, naluto na nila itong kare-kare na napaka bango at kasama yung ensimada. Okay, so guys, samahan ninyo kami, but before that we have to give thanks to God. Hallelujah. Praise the Lord.
Okay.
Let's see.
Give your plate.
It's actually one of my favorites, you know, bukod sa dininding, kare-kare.